Okay, so we've got Western versus Macartur this morning, 10 kickoff. We're going to do a little, just have a quick look at what could possibly do looking at the markets. And we can see here that the market at the moment is favouring Macartur to win. They're slightly odds on. And we'll just delve into this, see if we can find a couple of correct scores that we think will possibly come out, Dutch them, and then trade out when we have to, or when we can at least. So the first thing to look at really is the Asian Handicap. So if we go to the Asian Handicap and bring that up, and we'll find when it gets round to it and settles that the even money scores here we got is Macartur giving away half to 1 goal, Western United getting half a goal to 1 is just slightly favoured. So you're really talking there possibly Macartur winning by a goal, maybe even a draw, but a draw to 1 goal. So let's look at goal lines, which of course is the Asian Handicap of goals, and see what that says. So if we go to goal lines now and see how many goals are actually expected. I know the answer because I already looked it up. And here you can see that what's expected is round about 2.5 to 3 goals. So if let's just say we expect 3 goals, we would then expect, with the Asian Handicap of half to 1, of Macartur to win 2-1. But if it goes to 2 goals instead of 2.5 here, because they're both similar, so we're talking sort of 2 to 3 goals. So if it was 2 goals, and with Macartur only winning by half to 1, or actually Western having the slight advantage, if you remember from the Asian, they had the slight advantage over giving away half a goal, of getting half a goal to 1 goal. It'll take a second to come back. There it is, and you can see there are the slight favourites there. And certainly when you go back to the match odds, Macartur do look a little bit short, but let's ignore that. I mean, normally I would have thought possibly a lay of Macartur, if you were doing it, might be worth a shout, because then they do look a bit short, to be odds on, to be totally honest. But anyway, let's now go to Bet Angel, and we'll just Dutch the 2 scores that we think it might be, which is 1-2 to Macartur and 1-1. And let's see what we've got there. So here, you'll have to excuse me a second. I will have to shut that, make that a bit smaller so you can see it. Yep, okay, now you can see it. So I've now got Bet Angel up. We're only going to do £2 and see what that happens, right? So let's go to the Dutching tab, and we've got back with a stake of £2. I've already clicked these. We've got 9 and 9.8 on those, and that's now returning £7 to our £2 stake. So what we're going to do is I'm going to place them now, and we're in there. I've done it for £4, I don't know why, but I have. Must have clicked it twice, never mind. But we're in there for £4 to return £13–14. What we're going to do now is we'll wait until the game starts, and when it does, we'll see if we can trade out and make a little bit of green on those 2 scores. And that's your lot for the moment.